Have you ever wondered what would happen if Jupiter swallowed Earth? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Let's delve into this astronomical possibility. Picture our blue planet on a fateful trajectory towards the gas giant Jupiter, a celestial body of immense proportions. Jupiter is no ordinary planet, it's a behemoth, dwarfing our Earth with its staggering size. To give you a sense of scale, Earth is 1,321 times smaller than Jupiter. Imagine that. The gravitational pull of Jupiter, a force born from its massive size, is a significant player in this cosmic encounter. Given the vast size difference, Earth would be like a tiny pebble spiraling into a giant whirlpool, drawn inexorably towards its doom. This is not a pleasant thought, but it's an intriguing one, isn't it? So come along, space enthusiasts, as we journey into the heart of this astronomical what-if. As Earth approaches Jupiter, the first thing we'd experience is a gravitational tug-of-war. A dance, if you will, between two celestial bodies, each pulling at the other with forces unseen. This gravitational dance is not as elegant as it may sound, but rather a violent interaction of cosmic forces. The gravitational forces of Jupiter are immense, dwarfing those of our own planet. If Earth were to come close enough to Jupiter, these forces would lead to significant tidal disruptions. Our oceans, influenced by gravity, would become unpredictable and tumultuous. Imagine, if you will, waves the size of mountains, surging and crashing with untamed power. The seas would no longer be the tranquil blue expanses we know, but rather chaotic bodies of water, whipped into a frenzy by the gravitational pull of Jupiter. But the dance does not end there. It permeates deeper, beyond the seas and into the very crust of our planet. The same gravitational forces that stir the oceans would also cause the Earth's crust to crack and shift, resulting in earthquakes of magnitudes we've never seen. The ground beneath our feet, once solid and dependable, would become an unpredictable terrain of shifting plates and fissures. The gravitational pull would also cause a phenomenon known as tidal bulging. This is where the side of Earth facing Jupiter would be drawn towards it, causing the Earth to stretch and distort. This bulge would be a colossal deformity, a testament to the immense power of Jupiter's gravity. These extreme weather patterns, earthquakes and tsunamis would render our planet unrecognizable. Our cities and landscapes, once familiar and comforting, would be twisted and torn by the gravitational dance with Jupiter. But it's not only the physical changes that we need to consider. The psychological impact on humanity as we watch our home transform into a chaotic and alien world would be profound. The Earth, as we know it, would cease to exist. The Earth would be in chaos long before it reached Jupiter. The gravitational dance would leave our planet scarred and ravaged, a mere shell of the vibrant world it once was. As Earth gets closer, it would start spiraling towards Jupiter. The gravitational pull of the colossal planet would be too much for our home to resist. This is where the final descent begins. The strong gravitational forces of Jupiter would start to play havoc with Earth's integrity. Imagine a cosmic tug-of-war, with Earth caught in the middle. The gravitational forces would be so intense that the very fabric of our planet would begin to rupture. This is not a gentle process, but a violent, chaotic one. Earth, under the immense gravitational strain, would crack and shatter, breaking apart into numerous fragments. These fragments, ranging from dust-sized particles to chunks the size of continents, would not immediately plunge into Jupiter. Instead, they would start to orbit the gas giant, creating an ephemeral ring system. This ring, unlike the serene beauty of Saturn's, would be a grim reminder of a planet that once was. It would be a swirling maelstrom of rock and metal, a testament to the destructive power of gravity. But even this ring would not last forever. Gradually, the fragments would be drawn in by Jupiter's inexorable pull. One by one, they would fall into the planet's dense atmosphere, disappearing from sight. Each impact would release a tremendous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The entire process would be a light show like no other, a cosmic fireworks display marking the end of our planet. This energy would not only light up the Jovian skies but also cause massive disturbances in its atmosphere. These disturbances would ripple across the planet, creating gigantic storms that would dwarf the already massive Great Red Spot. But when the last fragment of Earth finally falls into Jupiter, the light show would end. The storms would eventually calm, and the planet would return to its usual turbulent self. The ring would be gone, and there would be no trace of Earth left. In the end, Earth would be no more, swallowed by the mighty Jupiter. After Earth is swallowed by Jupiter, what would be left? Let's imagine that scenario. With the violent end of our blue planet, Jupiter may gain a temporary ring system. Much like Saturn's iconic rings, this would be formed from the remnants of our world, the fragments of rock and ice that once made up our continents and oceans. The impact of this cosmic event could also trigger changes in Jupiter's atmosphere. The massive influx of material might cause shifts in the gas giant's weather patterns, potentially leading to new and unpredictable storm systems. Even Jupiter's rotation might be affected, altering its day-night cycle. And what about life as we know it? Well, any life on Earth, from the smallest microbe to the largest blue whale, would be extinguished instantly. A sobering thought, but a fascinating one nonetheless. However, this is all purely hypothetical. For now, Earth remains safely in its orbit around the Sun. So, what have we learned from this cosmic thought experiment? We've delved into a hypothetical scenario where Earth, our home, is swallowed by Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. We've explored the vast size difference between the two planets, an aspect that plays a significant role in this encounter. Earth, dwarfed by Jupiter's immense size, would be subjected to colossal gravitational forces, leading to catastrophic destruction. We've also considered the final dance of Earth, a descent marked by violent tectonic upheavals, fiery atmospheric friction, and ultimately, its dissolution into the gaseous body of Jupiter. A thought experiment, yes, but one that paints a vivid picture of the raw power and majesty of the universe we inhabit. While it's a bit unsettling to imagine, it's also a reminder of the immense power and beauty of our universe. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.